Hello and welcome. You're now looking at the inside of a WordPress installation where you can create a blog post. And inside of WordPress, what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to place all of your written content and anything else you want to display inside of a text block. WordPress allows you to customize your text block with just about any content related purpose. There are other platforms available that will allow you to display your written content in blog form. You can use Blogger.com, which is a division of Google. You can use a paid application such as Wix.com. Similar to Wix, you can use a site like Squarespace.com. Or another paid application is Ghost.org. All of these platforms are designed for you to customize them according to your business and exactly where you want to have your blog positioned within your business. The basis of your blog is to be able to write content, title it, and then promote it in other places so that it can be found either in search or by social media. And the purpose, of course, is to grow an audience with your written content. As you design and publish your content, you do want to make sure that that content is going to be findable, and in most cases, you're going to want to monetize that content. And in this course, we will focus on things that you can do in order to promote your content, whether you do it by post or you promote your entire site or blog. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.